right, what we're doing here is we're gonna define the space and create a little bit more of a shape. So start here, just with a regular shovel. You don't need any fancy tools. Go around like this. And then I'll continue that shape, but all you do is you turn it over like this, and that'll decompose. And I'm going roughly along the line of where this plant is right now. So I'm following the line. And there's some roots down here. So in that case, then you just flip them up like this. And you can remove little bits of grass, but you don't have to. Just leave them if you want. Okay, so see already how we have a clean line here? And that's what you want to do all the way down. Okay, so we've gone around and defined the space. Now we're going to tighten it up a little bit. So you go in there with the edge of the shovel, this is what I do, at an angle, and just do that. And put stuff up top, and then you can spread it. This will all decompose. You can, as you're planning on doing, reuse the grass. So get in there nice and shallow and pluck this, toss it in the wheelbarrow, put it in the backyard. But you're gonna go around like this, spread it so that it's even. And then you're gonna add more mulch. And again, this whole thing will break down. And then you'll have a nice clean line.